Bring it around town. Bring it around town.
Toast Robin.
Man. Okay. Wait up. I'm gonna start. You know, the thing about stretching is I always feel worse after I stretch.
What's up? Sean the Grinder. Muzzle face. And
I'm doing it!
we're stretching at the flea market.
Yeah,
Good luck.
I can't feel this foot. But it's like, whoa. Oh, hey, you want to do a really cool stretch test? It's actually a measure of flexibility. You gotta do this. One hand goes here.
Oh yeah.
And you try to touch it. Can you grab your hands? All right. Can you do it on both sides?
No, barely.
Oh,
I think I can.
Can you do it? Okay, and there you go. You know, a lot of people really just can't do it.
Yeah.
I'm surprised all of you could.
That's awesome. I love it. So Sean, what'd you just get?
I got a helmet. No, I'm gonna use it for GrinderVision stunts. Got sponsored by Miller High Life. The helmet.
That fits perfectly on your head,
Yeah.
Sean.
I mean, I've been to a lot of bars and I've gotten pretty drunk, and I know these things, they're pretty safe.
You know, in a bar fight, that's probably your safest bet.
It really is. I mean, if I fall down, it's not going anywhere. My
We're
mom
going to flea market. Chicharrones. That's how you know it's a good flea market.
All right, Ramon's lost to the flea market, aka Puzzle Face.
Don't know where he's at.
I think he might be over there.
Oh, there he is. So no
Where is he?
at the flea market.
Let's see.
A lot of retailers. Killing himself. From a horrible.
Here he comes. Terrible deals all around. And
Mix it up with the icy stand?
this is terrible.
I got it. Hey guys, look what I found in the bathroom. Look what I found in the bathroom. It's a cup of piss.
That's why it's a flavor. Sean's ready for a bar fight.
Pac-Man, because I fucking love Miss Pac-Man.
Batteries fixing to die.
But I should have gone out because he had Miss Pac-Man in box. And I should have done the box. How much was the box for? I don't know.
There was also some stuff in the case I was trying to get you to look at.
Oh, what else was in the case?
I don't know, some Game Boy stuff mostly.
I'll go look, because that's mine.
There was also...
I expect you to